In this video, we're going to talk about percentage increase. Suppose you've got a metal rod here. Let's say it's 10 centimeters long. If you leave it in the sun, the same it will expand. Let's say it expands to 12 centimeters. So the increase is 2 centimeters here. This is the increase here. So when you're talking about percentage increase, this is what's happening. Hang on, let me draw this. So 0, this is our 1 here. Our 1 original was 10 centimeters. We leave it in the sun and then it will expand to 12 centimeters. So the expansion here is 2 centimeters here. When you're talking about percentage increase, what's happening is you take this down and this is 2 centimeters here. This is the same expansion here. You take the expansion down here and well, how much has it? What is this level here? This here is the percentage increase. So the expansion here. Well, remember our formula. Well, it's always part divided by original. So in this case, the part is 2 centimeters. The part is 2 centimeters divided by our original here is 10 centimeters. So this equals 0.2. So this level here is 0.2. So 0.2 is like 0.20, and 0.20 is 20%. So the increase here is 20%. You can say this rod has increased by 20%. The proper formula is actual increase. Hang on, Bell. Divided by original. Okay, so if you want to know the percentage increase, what you do is you get the actual increase and then you divide it by the original. So that's what's happening. The actual increase is 2 here. Okay, and then you move it down here and compare it to the original. When you compare it to the original, but basically, hang on, it's like this. Bear with me, 10, 12. So what you do, you take this amount here, you move it down here to see what level it's at, and then you can. And remember, when you take it down here, you're always comparing it to the original. Okay, so let me give you another example here. Let's say your height is 1.4 meters. In 6 months' time, your height will be 1.43 meters. So what is the percentage increase? So let's draw the diagram. Hang on. So 0 here. Your original was 140. Okay. And then 6 months later, let's say your height is 143. Okay. So what is this amount here? This amount here would be 0.03. Okay. So you move this down here, this amount here down here. So this level here is 0.03. Well, basically, you get the increase, and then you compare it to the original. Okay. So now you get calculator. Hang on, calculator, and then well, what is this level here? This will tell you the percentage increase. So hang on. So it will be. Remember, it's always part divided by the original. So part divided by original equals well, it would be 0.03, and then the original is this 0. Okay, that equals, so calculator, 0.03 divided by the original, which is 1.4. Okay, equals 0.02. Let me double check. Yeah. So the percentage increase is 2%. Okay. So So remember, you want to know the amount increase, and then get this amount here, compare it to the original, and it just happens to be 2% of the original. Well, anyway, that you use this. I'll give you another example here. Let's say let's say a baby weighs 5.5 kilograms. A year later, it weighs 5.8. So what is the percentage increase? So diagram, hang on. So your diagram is like this. The original is 5.5 kilograms. 0 down here, and then a year later, it will increase to 5.8. So what is this increase here? It's actually 0.3, isn't it? So let's move this down here. Let's move it down here. So it's somewhere down here. Okay. So what is this level here? Compare it to the original. So this is 0.3 here. This is the increase here. And we're talking about kilograms. So bear that inside our mind. We are talking about kilograms. So we don't need to write the kilograms down here. So anyway, what is this level here? So compare this to the original here. Okay. So it will be 0.3 divided by the original. Okay, so that would be, hang on, calculator, clear, 0.3 divided by the original, which is 5.5 equals 0.05. So here the weight has increased by 5%. Okay, because 0.5 is 5%. So get the expansion or whatever the actual increase, and then compare that to the original. And remember, the original is here. Okay, not up here. The original is here. Okay, another example. Let's say on an island there's a population of 173 people. A year later, the population has increased to 190. So again, draw the diagram. What is the population increase? So our original 173. This is the original. Okay, and then a year later, 190. So the increase here is what 17. Okay, so from here to here, it's an increase of 17 people. So take this 17 down here. Well, it's going to be somewhere down here. So 17 at this level. How does that compare to the original? What is the percentage of the original? So basically, it's part, this thing here, part divided by the original. Compare that with the original. So this here, and then jump to your calculator. Clear 17 divided by 173 equals. So this level here is well, we're going to round off. So it's this. Okay, 0. Well, if you round this off, you've got to push it up to the nearest. Well, anyway, if you round it off, it will become 0.10, which means it's 10%. So that's an increase of 10%. Okay. So always remember the actual increase. Compare that to the original here. Okay.